Hello dear students, here I will explain about amorphous form of carbon. You know amorphous means no definite shape. So first one come charcoal. Charcoal is a black, soft and porous solid. Okay, so how the charcoal will produce? Here it is. Charcoal, the process of heating organic substance strongly in the absence of air. Okay, which is called destructive distillation. That will produce charcoal. Okay, so here the destructive distillation procedure, you can see wood, tar, water and combustible gas is there, and wood piece is here. You just giving the heat, okay, in the absence of air. mm. So there, by this setup, when you give the heat, you can see the wood tar is there, and by this way the charcoal will produce. Okay. Here in the process, destructive wood charcoal or bone charcoal are formed depending upon the material used. Charcoal is formed as residue and carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide released from here. Okay, and carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, and hydrogen gas are formed. The mixture of these gases is combustible and is known as wood gas. That's why it has written combustible gas or wood gas. Okay. When charcoal is heated further, it forms activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is more porous than charcoal. Okay, you just remember activated charcoal from some reaction purpose. Activated charcoal block is used. Okay, because it is more porous. Charcoal is porous and has very large surface area and with less volume. Because it is porous, so more volume, like sponge. If you think sponge is very porous, but charcoal is solid, not you can squeeze it. Okay, you can't squeeze the charcoal, but it is solid but porous. Okay, so it is more surface area but with less volume. So that will it is used as adsorbent to adsorb gas, means in that vacant area it will adsorb the gases. Okay, that's why it is used as adsorbent and gas, and hence it is used gas marks for industrial military purpose and as decolorizing agent. Decolorizing agent, it is very important you remember that which form of carbon used as decolorizing agent, that will be charcoal. Okay. Adsorption is the property of solid by which a substance in solid, liquid or gaseous state is collected on the other surface of another substance. Okay, so what is adsorption? Absorption you know, but what is adsorption? That definition also given over here. I think you can understand, you can read. Okay, activated charcoal used as an adsorbent in household water filter. Okay, it replaced the use of charcoal as it is better adsorbent. Okay, means purify the water. Okay, when it is passed through water, passed through the charcoal, it become more purified because the some impure substance will absorb by the charcoal block. Okay, so it is used as deodorizing agent for removal of foul smell. Okay, the residue wood charcoal obtained after destructive distillation of wood, it is used as a fuel for domestic purpose. It is high carbon content and thus a better fuel. Okay, means the percentage, you know the different types of coal you have read. Right now we are coming to coal. There is the difference between coal and charcoal also. Charcoal, what sometimes we confuse charcoal and coal same, no. So the difference between coal and charcoal is also important for your education purpose. Okay, so once you just check that, so now we have complete the charcoal. Now come to the coal. Coal is formed naturally, students, you know. Okay, there is the process and there is different types of coal: anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. Okay, peat, four types is generally, but here three types has written. Lignite and peat, they will keep in the same group. Anthracite is the highest form of coal, means highest form of carbon is there. You see 92 to 98% carbon is there. So the quality of coal will depend on its carbon content. If more carbon content, it will have a high ignition value, you can say, means it will ignite more, it will give more temperature, it will produce less smoke. Okay, less smoke. Otherwise, if you that there will be lignite, percentage of coal is low. So when you are going to burn the lignite coal, it will produce more smoke. Okay, more smoke, more impure gases. Okay, so that's why anthracite coal is very precious. Precious means it is mm, means important for the industrial purpose. In industrial purpose, if anthracite coal will use, it will very good for that, for everything you can say. Mm, Here it has written already, students, that but once ignited burn long time and give lot of energy. Bituminous is also known as household coal, and lignite, 60 to 65% carbon. It is light brown. Okay, lowest rank of coal is present in it. Okay, students, so coal is black, hard, solid. It formed by the process coalification. Coalification, conversion of wood, decay, or decayed vegetable under high pressure, long temperature, under the million of years. Okay, the process takes million of years. From underneath of the earth, we will extract that. Okay, that is coal. But charcoal will prepare by the destructive distillation of normal wood. Okay. So students, I hope you get a sense about coal and charcoal. Now, use of coal. Coal generally used for fuel and industrial domestic purpose. Okay, generally it is used as fuel purpose, and also some coal is source of um, for prepare of coke, coal gas. Okay, source of organic compound, benzene, naphthalene. Okay, that can be extracted by the coal, used manufacture of synthetic coal, petroleum, perfume, drug, textiles, and fertilizer. Okay, now students, lamp black. Okay, lamp black, or soot, in Bengali we can say it bhusa kali. Okay, so, or carbon black or lamp black. Lamp black. Okay, in lamp, um, with the kerosene burning lamp, that you can see the black, uh, means flame. Okay, black flame. So that is called lamp black. Okay, it is fine powder, it is black and fine powder, and it is enriched with carbon, pure carbon is there in the lamp black. Okay, and very important, it is used for pigment. If you hold your finger above the lantern, okay, or the lamp, you can feel that black portion, and if you mix with little bit oil in it, you can see it will be a proper black color. Okay, you can draw, you can use in with the color pencil, you can draw. Okay, so it is very pure form of carbon, and very nicely you can use it. It is used for many manufacture of printing, ink cartridge. Okay, ink cartridge, if you have the printer in your home, that ink cartridge, now the liquid is there. Previously old printer used to take the that lamp black. Okay, solid, pure, is there, pure carbon mixture is there. Now gas carbon, you just read, gas carbon is a black powder that gets deposited on heating hydrocarbon, absence of air. Okay, or destructive distillation of coal. So lamp black and gas carbon is different, because lamp black is normally fine powder when burning hydrocarbons such as kerosene, oil, wax. Okay, limited supply of here. But destructive distillation of coal will produce gas carbon. Okay, that is a good conductor of electricity, used for manufacture electrode. Here electrode made of gas carbon. Okay students, this much. Next class, here also coke you just read, and next class I will it is used to manufacture gaseous fuel such as water gas and producer gas. Water gas and producer gas, little bit definition has given here, but in senior class you will learn. Here just remember, it gas car coke used for preparation of gas car water gas and producer gas. Okay, good reducing agent, mm, industrial fuel. Okay, this is also prepared by the side product as a destructive distillation of coal. Destructive distillation of coal can produce coke and gas carbon. Okay, lots of byproduct is there, students. They are also hydrocarbon, you can see. um, means kerosene and kerosene, oil, wax, petrol. Okay, so that impure petroleum, when you will you check the distillation chamber at different temperature, different product will separate. Okay, at the byproduct, petroleum product will give lots of byproduct, kerosene, oil, grease. Okay, diesel, naphthalene. Okay, at different temperature it will separate. And petrol, or as a petrol also you means extracted as a byproduct. Okay. Okay students, next class I will explain about carbon dioxide.